Hi guys, it's Habib here. How to make money online in Ghana through your Momo wallet in 2023. That's what we are focused on. As I told you earlier, right in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, and I mentioned Kenya. Last time I did a video and shared with you 4 secret apps that we can make money from right here in Ghana through our Momo wallet or our bank account. A lot of people came down in the comment section down below and were asking more questions. I just asked, how do we create account with those websites? And some of them also asked, when do they start to receive the payment? For the payment, let's assume it is month A and month B. So when you publish it in month A, before the 30th of month B, you will receive your cash in your Momo or bank account. So which app or website are we talking of? Now I'm going to share with you how to create account. There is someone who told me in the comment section down in one of my videos that why do I keep on holding the microphone instead of me pinning it up with my shirt? Yes, I know I can do that, but the reason is sometimes I don't know how to position it well, so it end up diverting the noise somewhere. So mostly when I keep it like this, it makes the sound clear and deeper. That's why I like using it this way. Thank you. Now without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you'll be here with us, welcome back. As I said earlier, we are going to create an account on the Opera News Hub, and before that we have to get two important accounts, either with Facebook or Google account. So with this Facebook or Google account, it will be easier for you to create an account on Opera News Hub. So now I will recommend you using Google Chrome if you are using a smartphone, but if you are using a laptop or PC, that one you can choose any browser. So let's hit on Google Chrome because it's a bit secured. hub.opera.com. So here is it. Let's hit on it. Creating an account there is very easy, and the reason why I recommended you guys using Google Chrome is we can change this interface into a laptop or PC look. Just hit on the three dot at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now scroll down and you can see desktop site. So when you hit on desktop site, can you see that? So now the site will look like you are using this on a desktop. So what we have to do first here is we are going to change the country into Ghana. Okay, it is Nigeria, so you can use your hand to zoom it. Can you see that? And change the country to Ghana. So let's scroll down. You can see Ghana. So hit on Ghana. That's if you're in Ghana. If you're in Nigeria also, you can choose the country, then just hit on got it. What's next? The next thing here is hit on either login. That's if you already have an account, or sign up if you don't have one. So let me zoom it back and hit on login. So here is it. Log into Opera News Hub either with your Facebook account or your Google account. So which one should you go for? To me, it will be easier to go with the Google account because they'll send you a verification code there, and you can verify it by checking into your email box. All right, now I have a lot of accounts, so let me select one of them. Okay, voila, it's loading. Now let me zoom it back to see what they are asking me of. So you can see these tabs at the top. You can see confirm your login account, 1, 2 account information, and 3 the alter information. So with these 3 steps, you are about finishing your account. Now confirm your login account. So what are we going to do here? Here is the username, the country is there. Yeah, so let's hit on confirm. The account is legit, so let's hit on confirm. Select Ghana as your country or territory. I've already done that, so let's hit it up. Now we are on the second one, just about to finish. So you can see username. Which name do you want to use on your platform? And now the category. So username, let me use b.ture. Okay, this is the username I want to use, but I think it should be in capitals. TR. So okay, now the category, we have politics and policy, we have public safety, entertainment. Which one do you like? Just choose it. No, I think business information, so you get more business ads. So let's hit on business and industry. So if you have photo, you can upload it. Just allow for Google Chrome to enter into your. Okay, so I've gotten one done. Now the picture is loading. Here's the picture I selected. Now the biography, you can put small information for people to know much about you. So let me say um Habib, okay, a content creator and a YouTuber. Okay, so you can put a lot. Okay, me, this is what I want to put. I just don't want to waste my time. You can do the rest yourself. Then hit on next. So it's loading. When you hit on next, now we are in the last but one process. So hit your legit first name. So my legit first name is, and my legit last name is. All right, now which email did I use? Input that email address. Make sure you put that same email address. Okay, here is it. Now your telephone number. The country code is important. If you're in Ghana, it's +233. If you're in Nigeria, you know your country code. So now here you put your telephone number. So after inputting your telephone number, you can select bank account or Momo. So in Ghana, we prefer Momo. That's the easiest one. Now the Momo account, that telephone number, the Momo account number. Here is it. Now your ID option. Which one are you going to input? Is it the national ID or international passport? So in Ghana, we prefer national ID, as if I'm with you guys. But I know you are going to select national ID. If you know you are selecting national ID, leave a comment in the comment section down below. So the national ID, you just enter the pin. Okay, so your national ID pin. Now after that, referral code. You've not yet gotten a referral code. I have read and agreed to Opera News Hub terms and condition. Hit it up. So when you are done with that, just hit confirm. So let's wait now and see our blog interface, bro. Now we've also opened a blog page. Let me zoom it in. So can you see there is something at the top here? Let's check it out. They said create. You can create articles from here once your account application has been approved. So now they are verifying your account first. So after that, they will just approve and you can start. Now content library, and hit next. You can see account. Check your personal information and set up your payment method to get paid. So you can check that one here and set it up, then hit OK. Then now you can read news feedback or the ones which has been sent by the Opera News Hub account company, then hit done. Now tier fini. So you can see a lot of trending news and other stuffs. Just check them yourself, especially in Ghana. Here we have something like Sami Jamfi and Baumia and other stuff. So now after you've been verified, you see, you can see publish here your the number of likes you got, followers and following. Now after that, we want to create an article. So you just hit on create. Now here is how it looks like. Now it's okay. This video, I don't want it to be that long, so I'll pause it here, and in the next video I'll also show you how to publish your articles and get more views. Okay, and also how to do with the monetization process and your account settings. I think this video is educative, guys. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. I just took my time to go over so that you guys will understand this, and mostly I reply to your comments, so it's very important for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So I leave you in peace and see you in the next video.